Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am super excited to show you guys this wig tutorial today. You guys, this wig is from Shein. Yes, it's from Shein and I am super surprised, okay? First of all, the quality of the hair is amazing and the lace quality was amazing as well. I was shocked, okay? I was stunned. I was too stunned to speak. So of course I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing. Now the particular wig that I have is their transparent Swiss lace straight 4x4 lace closure wig. Now that lace does come pre-plucked for you, and just so you guys know, I did not bleach the knots at all because it actually was not too bad in person, but I did wash the hair and I also did use the blue shampoo on the lace only because it was looking like a little orange tinty-ish, which isn't bad at all, it's just my preference. So inside of the wig cap actually has 4 different combs and you have the adjustable straps all the way at the bottom, and then that is what that lace was looking like after I used the blue shampoo on it. Now also, just so you guys know, I do have this wig in 180% density and in 20 inches. So after you add your makeup onto your lace, you're just going to throw the wig on, make sure she's fitting correctly. Now me personally, I do like to use the combs inside of the wig. They do not bother me. However, we will be securing this lace down with some melting spray today. But once you have the wig secure, all you have to do is cut off the additional lace. Alright, lace is off, and I love the fact that this wig gives you such a natural hairline, a natural looking hairline. That just makes my life a whole lot easier. So right now I'm just using some melting spray. Another good thing about this lace is that you don't have to go in with like full-on glue or adhesive spray, like anything heavy. I just used my simple melting spray and she stayed put, you guys. So as always, I waited until it got a little tacky before I laid the lace down, and then I just press her in, and then I'm going to let her melt with the elastic band, and I left the elastic band on for like 10 minutes. All right, she is looking good. Like lace wear, poo. Lace wear. Now I know you guys are like, girl, we can still see it on the corner. This is the time where you actually go ahead and you add a little bit more foundation onto your lace. Now when it comes to closures, like you are going to see those little tabs on each side. That's just how wigs are. If you decide you want to add baby hairs to cover that, you most definitely can. But me personally, I'm going in with the middle part today, so it's gonna cover it regardless. But this is a close-up of that lace, you guys. I was shocked. And don't forget, this wig is from Shein. Okay, I was really shocked. So as always, I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and my hot comb. For those of you who don't know why I do this, I mainly do this to make the wig look extremely flat on the top, because in my personal opinion, I feel like it helps your hair look even more natural. All right, so I'm gonna do the same method on both sides. So really quick, now that the one side is done, I want you guys to look at the difference. This is why I do that method. You see how the other side is a lot more raised and the one that I finished is a lot more flat. So that's exactly why I do this method. Alright, she is looking good, so I'm just adding a little bit more foundation in the middle part area, and in this section I'm actually going in with just a little bit of a lighter foundation. It's a cream foundation that I use from Ruby Kisses. Everything will be listed in the description box down below in my Amazon store link. So I did one side off camera. Obviously the hair is already straight, but I kind of just refreshened it with my flat iron really quick, and I did the same thing to the other side as well. Now this is the time where we talk about the quality of the hair, right? First of all, no, I did not have any shedding, and no, I did not have any tangling. I was very surprised and happy by that. The hair was giving me 100% good quality, and just so you guys know, yes, this is 100% human hair, and obviously you can see that it's black, but the color is 1B, just in case any of you guys are wondering. But the quality of the hair, you guys, was absolutely amazing. I love the way she flowed. She flowed very naturally. The lace was giving lace wear, okay, it was giving scalp. So I was pleasantly surprised, and I was super happy with the unit overall. Alright, so we are finished. Let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment section down below, and I definitely feel like you guys should go ahead and check Shein out. I will have this direct link listed in the description box as well. Y'all, you could tell from the video, like, she is so worth it, and again, no shedding, no tangling, 100% top quality. Shein, you surprised me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.